What is a Rehoboam? How big is it? Well, let me tell you, let me spoil it for you. This is a very large, a big A bottle of wine. A Rehoboam contains 4.5 liters of wine. If you followed my guide to the wine bottle sizes, you already know that a Magnum is twice the size of a standard 750 ml bottle of wine. A Magnum is 1.5 liters of wine, so a Rehoboam is 3 times bigger than a Magnum. And a Magnum is already pretty big, and I'm sure you've seen one. You can pour wine for up to 6 to 10 people at a dinner with a Magnum. Well, a Rehoboam is 3 times bigger than this. You can pour out 6 glasses of wine out of a Rehoboam, so that's the equivalent of 6 standard bottles of wine. So that is indeed pretty big. Now be careful, because a Rehoboam, this 4.5 liter bottle of wine, is actually called Jeroboam in Bordeaux, and Jeroboam in Champagne actually means 3 liters. So it's all a little bit confusing, and this is down to regional language, regional wine jargon in the different wine regions of France. Now you may wonder what is and why is it called Rehoboam. Did I say Jeroboam? No, Rehoboam was an Israelite king. He was the son of King Solomon. So the name translates literally from Israelite as he who enlarges the people. So you kind of understand where they got that name from and why they named this large big bottle of wine containing 30 wine glasses or glasses of wine Rehoboam. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work. Check out my full complete guide to all the different wine bottle sizes, link in the description, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye bye.